Hi everybody! In today's writing lesson we are looking at the learning challenge I can identify features of a text. We are going to read these animal riddles that I've got in front of me, and they are waggles. They are good ones. They have got lots of features of good year one writing in them, and we are going to have a go at spotting lots of the different features of year one writing that we need to remember to include. So the first thing that I'm going to do is read through my riddles for you. I have done 3. Have a think about how they are written, and also have a think if you can spot any good year one writing features. My small relatives might live in your house. I am the fastest land animal and I am built for speed. I am from Africa and I am a carnivore. I have short, spotty fur. What am I? The next one. I am an insect. I have beautiful wings. I am elegant and graceful. I glide through the summer air. I like flowers because their nectar is delicious. What am I? And finally, I am spiky and small. I like to eat cat food, but I am not a cat. You might see me in your garden. I am nocturnal, so I only come out at night. Be quiet because I am shy. I am very cute. What am I? So those are my 3 riddles, and today we are identifying some features of these riddles that we need to remember in our year 1 writing. So the first thing that we are going to do in our riddles is have a look for some capital letters and full stops. Remember that capital letters come at the beginning of a sentence and full stops come at the end. You might be able to spot some capital letters for names of things. There might be one of those in there if you can spot that one too. Capital letters at the beginning of a sentence, full stops at the end of a sentence, and there is also a capital letter for a proper noun, the name of a country, a continent in there actually, a continent, not a country. So pause the video and have a look for some capital letters and full stops. Okay, next we are going to have a look for some questions. Questions start with a capital letter and start with a question word like what, where, when, why, how, or can, and then they end in a question mark. So next you're going to pause the video and have a look to see if you can spot any questions. Now we are going to move on, and we are going to look at something that we always also looked at in our wolf writing. We are going to have a look for the first person. So that's when I am either talking about me or I am pretending to be somebody else. So either way, I'm using words like I, we, my, and our. So have a look to see if you can find any first person words in there, please. Brilliant, year ones. Next, we are going to have a look to see if we can find any adjectives. So adjectives are describing words like the blue sea. The describing word is blue because it describes the colour of the sea, or the stripy zebra. The word stripy describes the zebra, describes what the zebra looks like. So we're going to have a look at some adjectives, some describing words that describe what that animal is like. Pause the video now and see if you can find any describing words. This one is a little bit trickier, so I'm going to show you some describing words that I have found. I can see my small relatives might live in your house. My relatives are small, so I'm going to try and highlight that word small if it will let me. There we go. I have short, spotty fur. So my fur is short and spotty. Both of those words, short and spotty, are adjectives because they describe what my fur is like. On to the next animal. I have beautiful wings. My wings look beautiful, so the adjective there is the word beautiful. I am elegant and graceful. Those words elegant and graceful are also adjectives. They are describing words because they describe what this animal is like. They describe that they are an elegant, graceful animal. They float around and they move in a very smooth kind of way. There are some more in there, but I'm going to leave you to find the rest. Well done if you got the same ones as me. Next, we are going to have a look for some verbs. Now, verbs are things that you can do. So anything that you can do, like run, jump, swim, I'm trying to think of another one. Eat, anything that you can do is a verb. So if you can do it, it's a verb. Have a go at finding some verbs, some things that you can do, some things that you can act out. If you can act it out, then it's a verb. And finally, year ones, we are going to look for our classic year one conjunctions. They are the words and, but, so, and because. They come in the middle of a sentence. You won't find them near any capital letters or full stops. And, but, so, and because. They join two clauses together and they always come in the middle of a sentence. Have a go at finding an and, a but, a so, and a because in this text. And then finally, there is one more thing that you could actually spot in there, and it is an exclamation. So you get double points if you manage to find the exclamation as well. And they are all the things that we are looking for in our year one riddles. And when we write our year one riddles, we're going to try and include all of those things as well. I hope you enjoyed looking at my waggles and are looking forward to writing some of your own riddles in the lessons to come. Finally, I wondered if you wanted to just have a quick guess which animals my riddles were about. So I'll read them one more time and you can have a guess to see if you can think from the clues of what animals I'm thinking of with my riddles. My small relatives might live in your house. I am the fastest land animal and I am built for speed. I am from Africa and I am a carnivore. I have short, spotty fur. What am I? Next one. I am an insect. I have beautiful wings. I am elegant and graceful. I glide through the summer air. I like flowers because their nectar is delicious. What am I? And finally, I am spiky and small. I like to eat cat food, but I am not a cat. You might see me in your garden. I am nocturnal, so I only come out at night. Be quiet because I am shy. I am very cute. What am I?